Hello, and welcome back to Thomas Talks. And today I wanted to bring along one or two items. I'll do two videos on this, on some items I probably forgot to show you years ago. And I've been dug them out the back of the wardrobe. 8 years, I think, I've had this first one I'm going to show you, which are the Gucci Ghost trainers, which you may remember with the graffiti. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera around and just show you the packaging and go through the shoes, and let's crack on with this video. Okay, guys, so this is the box, which, as you can see, it is a lovely tiger. Do you remember this collection from all those years ago when Gucci had these really cool kind of characteristic boxes? Yeah, it says Gucci at the top. It's got the big tiger. It's blue with the black all around the box. And if I turn it to the other side, we can see, there we go, some information on it, but yeah, without further ado, let's crack on and get the lid open. Now, what we have here is it going to stand? Maybe like that. We do have this funky tissue paper with like little UFOs and things on them, and the GG logo. It's quite different looking, some sort of animals. But let's crack on with the shoes themselves, which were these blue ghost kind of graffiti trainers, which I guess they kind of look like high tops, probably the style from back in the day. But yeah, they've got a really nice smell to them, which is like a real, it's probably one of the benefits of the leather on the inside as well. And yeah, it's got the kind of cream interior, the tongue pulls out like so. And we're able to, yeah, see like the code, the size 9.5, which was half the reason, or I was going to say half the reason, but two sizes too small for me, really. I think I'm closer to 11 on shoes, but this was an impulse buy back in the day, so it's probably a recommendation not to impulse buy when you see something you like, because I think I've literally worn them maybe once. I've managed to squeeze my poor feet into these shoes, but yeah, I just really liked the kind of funky design of them, the colour, the kind of aesthetic of it all overall. And yeah, it's like a nice, well built shoe, but that is what they look like. And I'll show you the rest of the packaging because the dust bags are not quite cool as well. But they've got little laces up front, and I kind of like this stitching here with the kind of 1, 2, 3 padding. It's nice and soft and squidgy. I know you can't smell on camera, but yeah, that is what is quite interesting about them. And then the dust bags are just plain old black with the blue font drawstring dust bags, which are handy, I guess. But yeah, this is probably a word to the wise of don't buy something maybe under impulse, because all these years later they're still not going to say unloved, but just unworn. And I'm really in a decision between selling them so somebody else could get the benefit of them, or keeping them and maybe one day having them in like a wardrobe with like a wee spotlight or something on them, just to kind of showcase, because the box is quite funky as well as the shoes. But then again, I can always say to myself, I could always buy another pair of funky shoes in the future that actually fit and I could actually wear, versus these shoes probably for the rest of my life are just going to sit somewhere in the wardrobe. What would you guys do? I'm really curious because I'm just debating myself what to do with them. If you could let me know, comment below, and thank you so much for watching this Gucci Ghost trainer, I was going to say unboxing video, but 8 years later unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Ciao.